This is the raised fishbone stitch used in hand embroidery. It creates a nice padded raised leaf shape. And it can be used for other things too, but it's great for leaves. So I'm working around this sort of messy outline of a leaf. I brought my needle up at the tip, and I'm going down right into the center of the leaf to make a long straight stitch. Now I'm going to step out to the left side of the leaf on the design line and pull my needle through. I'm directly across the base of that stitch, and now I'm going to cross over the long straight stitch and take my needle down at the top right of that straight stitch, nice and close to the tip. Then I'm going to step over to the left, right close to the tip, and move down to the right side of the leaf, directly across from the end of the straight stitch. And now I'm just going to move down the leaf in the same exact way, filling up the leaf shape. So I came up on the left, I'm going down on the right, and I'm going to squeeze it right in next to the previous stitch. I want to be nice and close and pull through. Then up on the top left, cross over the last stitch and go down on the lower right, keeping your stitches nice and close together. So the whole leaf is going to be filled in the same movement, lower left to top right, top left to lower right. Then you're going to get to this point where you're crossing over your previous stitches, and you might think that something really weird's going on here, and what do you do at this point now that you're running into these other stitches? You just keep going. So keep going down the leaf shape, covering up the previous stitches, and that's what gives lift to the whole leaf shape. So keep going even though it seems a bit bizarre. And you can even go down in the same holes as those previous stitches underneath. That's fine. Just keep going and fill up the whole leaf shape. Then you're going to get towards the base of the leaf and things are going to start looking a bit sticky because it's a bit tight in here. But that's okay. Just keep going, keep going. Fill up, fit in your stitches where you can. It's going to look great when it's finished, even though it seems a bit odd and a bit crowded at this point. So lower left to top right, top left to lower right. Keep that same movement all the way down the leaf. We can fit another stitch over here on the left side easily. We're going to slide underneath the other stitches here at the base. And you'd think we're done, but we're not, because the lower right side there needs a little rounding out. So we're going to squeeze in one more stitch, coming up to the left of where we went down and taking it down on the right a little bit higher. So see, it turned out great. And that is the raised fishbone. For more tips and techniques on hand embroidery, stop by and visit me at Needle and Thread.